We are now going to answer this part, which says, what is the first time the tide is 3 meters above the mean sea level? State your answer correct to the nearest minute. So if we come up here for a second, 3 meters above the mean sea level, that means what we're looking for is where is it first hitting? So if I draw this for a moment, this would be y is equal to 3. And we want where this is occurring. So what is the time at which it is first hitting y is equal to 3? And to do this, we're going to have to use our CAS. On our CAS, we're going to be using our solve function. We're going to be solving where h of t is equal to 3 for the t value. So let's now get our CAS. Oh, if this will let me get it. There we go. And I'm going to have to define what my function is. So let's just bring that over there. Let's bring that here. Let's come up. All right, we're going to go there. We're going to go h of t control equals 4 trig sine control divide pi on 6 t that, and now that is now defined for us. We're now going to go menu 3.1. Whoops, menu 3.1, and we're going to solve h of t is equal to 3 for the t values. And it's going to give it to us like that. Now, it gives us a lot of values there. The reason why it's giving us so many values is because we haven't restricted the domain, which is a good thing to do here. So let's actually come back here. We're going to take this again. We're going to go control that such that, and now as you can see here, it's defined from 0 to 24. So just the first 24 hours. So let's just quickly define that. T control that 24. And now also, when we come back here now, so I'm just using those up arrows coming there. Let's go control equals here. And as you can see, it's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4 values, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's because there's 4 points here, but this is just asking for the first time it hits 3 meters there. So I'm just going to take this first one here, the lowest value, 1.1619, so on. Okay, so that means I'm going to come here and I'm going to say that when t is equal to 1.1619 ... I'm going to get a height of 3 meters. Now, we have to see the way in which it wants me to present the answer. It wants me to give the answer correct to the nearest minute. Remember that t is the number of hours after 2 a.m. So what is this in actual hours here? Well, this one means it's 1 hour. And then to figure out the minutes, I'm going to have to go 0.619 ... times that by 60 minutes to figure out what the minutes is going to be here. So let's come back over here now. I'm just going to take this thing here, just the end of it, and actually I'll include the decimal as well, because I just want to take that and times that by 60. And that's going to say it's actually 37 minutes. And once I round it, and which it will be round down, it will be 37 minutes. I don't have to round up there. So that means it's going to be 1 hour and 37 minutes. Can I draw that, write that any more ugly? 1 hour and 37 minutes. Okay, so what am I going to say is my final answer now? I'm going to say, therefore, the first time the tide is 3 meters above the mean sea level is, now I'm starting at 2 a.m. and then this is 1 hour 37 minutes, so it's going to be 3:37 a.m. That is going to be my answer. So remember, we have to start at 2 a.m. and then count 1 hour and 37 minutes up. So that is my answer there. Perfect. So hopefully you're able to use the solve function of your CAS effectively to get that answer.